I've put the last panel on and I think I'm finally done the car now. There's no more things to do on it. I'm gonna give it one more good cleanup. I'm gonna vacuum the inside and I'm going to take it for a drive and I'll do a full B-roll of the car to show you guys how it looks like. I do have it booked for an alignment. I'm gonna get an alignment done on it, change the tires, but until then the steering wheel is straight. I should be able to test drive it more than what I did, just to make sure everything's okay. But first I'm just gonna clean it up, vacuum it, and make sure everything is good with the car before I do that. So I just moved this seat forward, and this is the first time I moved this seat forward just so I can clean up all the dust and everything like that in the back here. And I just found some random stuff. There's a bunch of gloves over here, and I don't know what these are. I think this is a do-rag of some sort. Yeah, I don't know what any of this stuff is. So I'm not sure what all that stuff is, but I'm gonna probably just take all that stuff out and throw it out. I don't know what the previous owner was involved in, but I just don't want any of this stuff around. Yeah, those were definitely do-rags. I saw them before throwing them out. I'm not sure if this car was involved in a crime or something, but anyway, back to vacuuming. So the car is finally done. I just finished cleaning it. I'm gonna take it outside under the sunlight. I wanna see what it looks like, and I'll show you guys as well. And I'm gonna take it for a drive.
I'm still downloading the update.
Yeah, that's fine. I'm just doing that coolant.
Is it the same engine as an Audi?
Audi R8, yep. Same thing. Zero DTCs, but there's an engine light on. There's no codes, bro. It's odd. Probably noticed the airbag light on as well. It just ended up being a loose connection on the pyro fuse. I ended up fixing that and then the light went away. So there's no more airbag light on. Every other connection looks fine. And basically just the engine light on. But I'm gonna take care of that. But other than that, the car is fully good to go. I'm not sure why I'm getting a check engine light. Even though there's no codes at all in the ECU and the car drives great. There's no drivability issues. There's no problems at all, but the thing is I'm getting an engine light and I've scanned it many times and it literally shows no codes under the ECU module. So it's my reason to believe, I know some of these Huracans, they had a cluster problem before. So I think it's a bad cluster. I'm gonna have to order another cluster and replace it. But other than that, the car drives absolutely great. I'm really happy how the car turned out. It looks absolutely great. You can't even tell that it used to be in an accident. I really took my time fixing it as best as I could. Anyone that sees the car, they think they can't tell if it's been an accident. They can't tell anything, right? So one of the most challenging things was make sure not only that everything lines up properly, is to make sure all the nuts and bolts that go back on properly, how they're supposed to go like in factory. One thing that really bothers me is having really mixed matched bolts. So that was really important to me to have like the proper Lamborghini bolts and where they're supposed to be, right? So this is like one of the telltale signs of how the car was fixed properly. Again, I'm really happy how everything turned out in this project. The car drives great. Other than that, like just the engine light issue, which is I'm sure is a cluster problem, I'm going to be replacing that as well. I think the car absolutely turned out great. Let me know what you guys think of this project. I am going to be actually building another Huracan, so look out for this. Just want to say thank you for watching and supporting me. Please do like and subscribe. It means a lot to me. Hoping to see you back here soon. Thanks, guys.